Okay, so we just checked the pressure on this with the pressure gauge. It's right on 28. So remember, these things could be already pre-charged to 38 for different systems. So, and that's what this was. This was already pre-charged to that amount. So wires are hooked in. So now it's like fingers crossed. Let's see if this works. Okay, ready? Here we go. Look at that. We have water. We got water upstairs.
You can hear it rumbling through.
Yeah, you can hear it running. So there you go. We have just successfully fixed. We have changed a pressure switch. I'm looking here at this.
Okay, I got that lined up to catch the water coming out of the.
Yeah. We have a problem here with the water softener, but I'm trying to fix it.
There for a second, bro. I had that little rig up there. So it'll reflect into the bucket.
Yeah. Oh, no, I'm trying to just clean it now. See if it's gonna work. Is it still discharging?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Just a little sort of chute. It's directed into the bucket, because
Yeah.
otherwise it.
I'm trying to feel the end of it. Is there more water coming out now?
Yeah.
Okay, so I should turn the other way then.
Well, I wouldn't say more, but it's still coming. Whether it's more.
Well, I just put it on bypass. So did it slow down now? From what was just going on?
More than initially, but I don't know about before. Let's try the different variations.
Well, you gotta look up here. Which way is bypass on? Is it on bypass now? It should say right up here.
Where?
I don't remember. There's a picture up here somewhere that says bypass.
Okay, just hang on. Just pause for a second, bro.
Yeah.
See if I can make this permanent. Permanent, but more steady. Okay. Now, I'm gonna come around. What am I looking at?
We're trying to find the bypass on these things here. Some of these knobs. It says right here on top, I think.
Yeah, I see bypass.
Which way is bypass?
Clockwise.
Turn that way?
No, that's counterclockwise.
So it's already on clockwise. So what about the other end? So look at the other one. Look at the other one for me. On the other side. Is that on bypass now?
I can see that. Can you just bring it under the way for a second? So bypass is again clockwise.
This way?
No, the other way.
Okay, perfect. So they're done. You're on bypass now. Okay.
But the water's still coming out of here.
Oh yeah, because there's air and stuff and everything. It's gonna take a few minutes just to bleed off. Stopping now, right?
No, it's just nice and water though.
Oh. So the line is where? In front of this. The problem is here on the brine tank line, right there. So see here, this is the little, look this line? You might get, watch it, watch it. Right there. This is the problem right there. It's in here, one of it. So last time we put it on bypass, and that was probably going on. The pump was down there turning on and off like fucking nuts.
Yeah.
So we can hit regen on this and see if it works.
Yeah.
That's what we did last time. It started working, remember?
Yeah, and it worked, but then when it regen, it all went haywire.
No, well, it's been a couple months since that happened.
No, it happened
Okay.
lately.
Yeah, I know that, but remember when we regened it?
It was good till the next regen, and then it went crazy.
Okay, okay, here. Where's the regen button?
Regen.
Right there?
I gotta read them. Programmed, service program, set up, set down, PM indicator. So, extra regeneration button
Yeah, where's it to?
right here. Let's
Right
click
there?
that one there.
So you see a little tap will come up.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, now if I press it, it should skip to the next sequence. Did the numbers change?
Number's 1139.
Okay, what happened now?
1567.
It changed?
Yeah. 1139. But it changed when it's going to happen.
Yeah, your little motor should be turning in here. But is it saying P whatever, or what's going on?
It doesn't say P nothing. There's a flashing water hose or water tap and the time.
Going right. Okay, where's the regen button right there?
Yep.
Anything happen?
The tap is not flashing anymore. B1.
Okay, she's cycling. So it's not that, she just got stuck somewhere in the sequence. So I gotta skip to the next one. Did I skip to the next one?
No,
Now?
no. I think the finger's gotta be up higher. Okay, now it's still B1, but now it's B or B0 or H0. I don't know the fucking B0. I think.
So going? Switch?
Yeah, it's a 5957. I guess
Okay.
it's
So when that's gone, it's gone now?
B2 now.
Brian, thanks, this is changing. That's Brian draw. Now?
B2 and no numbers. So your finger has to be up to higher. Higher. There.
The change?
No.
We gotta get it back to the clock.
You should get what's the name and send you an operating instruction.
Okay, where's it
sheet.
now? Has it gone back to clock now?
Now it's back to B2 and 456, which is present probably time now, is it? Time's now.
Okay. So that's
6:48.
so the little tap is off now?
Yeah, I don't know what that 4:47 is. It's just like it's time. It's counting down from 5 minutes.
Oh, that could be the time it's sitting in the tank. But she's not leaking anymore, so everything's good. I'll go to the next cycle. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
This is regen now. Wait a second, we gotta change. We gotta wait until the tap is off. Is it changing now?
BF now.
Now? We're trying to get back to time.
BF. No time.
It's on BF now?
Yeah.
Nothing?
Still BF.
Maybe because she's moving.
Now it's back to time.
Oh, shit.
11:57. Now it's gone again.
She's back to time?
Back to time now.
There you go.
But it's 16. It's counting down. 16.
Okay.
11:44. What's the tap?
Did I turn that on again?
I don't know.
It could be that. Could be 11:44 when it's gonna do its next thing.
Could be. But that's no good. That's in the middle of the day.
Is it still counting down?
It's 11:46 now, so it's going up. So I don't know. And the tap is there.
Okay, where's the button to there?
Yeah. Ask your friend to fax you up or me up an operating sheet.
Okay. See what's going on? Is she changing now?
The tap is on and it's 11:46. I don't know what the tap means even. And
But it's not flat. The tap isn't flashing anymore, though, is it?
no, the tap is there and it indicates that there's water coming out of the tap. Whatever that means.
What's that there?
Where?
Perfect. Have my phone for a second?
So I got your phone?
I don't have it. You can have it.
There it is, there.
Oh shit, I'm recording now, aren't I? Did I fuck it up? Is it still recording?
Yeah, it is.
It's recording right now?